governance will improve. Starting next month, I'm also going to ask MLAs also to visit 4 Sachivalayas per week. And then give them 2 months' time. The MLAs also give them 2 months' time. That is October and November. And December, I also want to start this program. Because I want to ensure that, the quality there is totally updated, upgraded to that level before my inspection. So I want you to focus on this. Ensure that every minute detail is looked into so that by the time I start touring, there are absolutely no complaints. Because when I start touring, you will be there with me. So that's the reason why I'm giving a lot of headroom, a lot of head start for you, so that everything is attended to before my tour actually starts in December. And every application, you would have to ensure that whether a SOP is followed for rejection. There's got to be an SOP for rejection. Before rejecting any application, you'd have to give a notice. Then you'd have to take an explanation from the beneficiary. You need to give an explanation. You need to give a notice to the beneficiary before an application is rejected. You need to take an explanation once again from the beneficiary on that notice that you have given. On that, you need to give a speaking order. And after you give a speaking order, then an order should be given to the beneficiary and a photograph to be taken. An acknowledgement. This process jaragali. The whole situation is anybody deserving arhudiki manchi jaragala. Anarhudiki ivvakodadu. Every deserving person should get, and every undeserving person should not get. So all these things will only come into force only when you start inspecting, only when you start enforcing, only when you go there. Let the inspecting officials maintain a register there in every Gram Sachivalayam. In every Gram Sachivalayam, please make sure that you have a physical register as well. Physical inspection register should be made available in every Gram Sachivalayam or Ward Sachivalayam. And this inspecting officer should record his observations on improvements to be carried out in that secretariat. So it's very, very important that you actually start owning these Sachivalayas, because this is one place where the corruption is zero. And we would have to maintain that. With our focus, our energy, our passion there, only then this will remain like that. A place where there is no corruption, a place where there is no discrimination, a place where every beneficiary who if he is deserving would be entitled. A place where undeserving do not get. Situation as far as COVID is concerned, we've seen a positivity of 25.26% during the peak. Now we have a situation of weekly positivity at 2.18%. So there's a huge drop from where we've seen the peak during the month of probably May to what we are currently seeing now. In fact, the daily average is only 1.95. That's a very consoling factor. The recovery rate also has improved to 98.63%, which is also a very, very favorable news.